Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Mr. Wolf from the book The Bad Guys. Now there's a new movie coming out with this too, so if you guys would like to see other characters or more of the movie style characters, definitely let me know and I'd be happy to draw them for you. But thanks for watching and I hope you guys enjoy. Now to start off with Mr. Wolf from The Bad Guys, we're going to begin with the eye. So we want to start towards the top of our paper, and we're just going to start with a circle for the eye. Then we're going to leave some space and we're going to make the nose because the other eye is kind of hidden behind the nose. So we're going to start right about here and we're going to make a line that's going to come down a little bit. Then it's going to come down, it's going to come up and over. Next we're going to draw another circle that's going to be kind of hidden by the nose. We want to put a little black dot inside each one. Then starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to curve down. And then we can color this part of the nose black. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve down for the mouth. And we're going to add a couple little pointy teeth in here. Next, we're going to make a line that comes down on above each eye for the eyebrows. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up for the ear, and then it's going to come down with a couple points. Do the same thing over here. We're going to come up and we'll come down with a couple points. Then we'll draw two little curved lines in here. Then I'm going to make some points across for the top of his head. And we're just going to make some little points that come all the way around for the whole shape of his head. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up, and then one more over here. Then I'll make a little smiley face shape in between for this tie. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a long line that comes down on each side. And then I'm going to make another long line that's going to come down and then up. Same thing here, I'm going to draw a long line that's going to come down and then up. Make a long line that's going to go down, it's going to come to a point and then up. And we'll make a line across. Draw a line that's going to go out, it's going to come down and over. And another one's going to go out, it's going to come down and then over. Then right here we're just going to make kind of like a pointed little kind of furry shape for his paws. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down on each side for his legs. Then I'm going to make a couple little bumpy lines on each side. Or make a line that's going to come across. Or make a couple little bumpy lines here, and then we're going to bring it up. I want to make some pointed lines just to make it look like his feet are furry, so they go around and then they come back up. Do the same thing here, just around and then they come back up. Starting here, we're just going to make kind of like a pointed little line that just goes down and up. And then we're just going to bring this back here. Then I'm going to add just a couple little lines kind of like around his face, just to make it look like he's really furry. And I'll add another little line right up here by his nose. And there you go. There is your drawing of Mr. Wolf from The Bad Guys. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.